What is up everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how you can hear footsteps more easily and just make your gameplay experience 10 times better. So, but before we start the video, let me tell you guys something. I'll give you an example. So let's say I'm in a game, Rainbow Six Siege maybe, and I am somewhere and I hear an enemy. Now usually you can hear the enemy, but it's kind of hard to hear them. But in this video, I will be showing you how you can improve it where the point we can hear them really well. So what you want to do first is head over to here and type in SteelSeries. Head over to their site, and first things you'll probably see are their products. And before I go and I show you guys how to do it, this will not require a SteelSeries headset or anything that SteelSeries sells. You can do this with any headset and any mice and anything you own. So head over to where it says software and click on GG and just download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, you can go into here and you will see in your tray icons, you'll see SteelSeries icon. So just right click on it and click on open SteelSeries GG. Once you have opened it, you shall see a window like this. If you do own any products they have, then you can just go to the engine, but I'm sure you guys probably already know that. But I'm going to be talking about the sonar. What is sonar? So sonar is basically the thing that improves your life. As you can see, we have everything here. Now once you click on this, you should receive like a menu, and if you don't have an account, you need to create one. And after you complete it to the menu, it'll ask you to configure. So as you can see, these are all my options. As you can see, I put it to my current headset and then my microphone, which is right here. And I'll be showing you on how to configure it for games and everything else. So let's first head on over to game. Now currently for game, I've selected Rainbow Six Siege, and it might be annoying, but every time you launch up a game that you want to play, you've got to search for the game. For example, let's say you want to play Modern Warfare, select from the list COD, Modern Warfare 2, and it'll adjust it to that. Now I'm not going to be playing the game. Instead, I'll be playing Rainbow Six Siege to show you an example. So click on Rainbow Six Siege. I have spatial audio on, but you can obviously disable it, and smart volume. And smart volume is basically this. You can read this out. And yeah, you can just configure it to your liking and apply the settings that you feel are good. Now, as you can see, you guys might not see this. Instead, you might see actually, where is this? Default. You might see highs, blah, blah, blah. These are just audio information, but you can convert it into game knowledge. So you can change this into immersion, footsteps, and bomb. And we can also say for CSGO, as you can see, the same thing, because CSGO and Siege are kind of the same, but then as you can see, we have that. Now we're moving on to chat. Chat can be used basically for Discord. If you have Discord like me, then this will be very useful, since let's say your friends they don't have a great mic and a lot of noise is coming in and you're playing a game and you don't want to hear that. Just enable Clearcast AI noise cancellation, and it'll kind of disable, or it'll kind of remove their background noise so that it'll help you. And compressor is to compress the audio, which means it'll always be in a certain level. And obviously you can configure this, and if you do enable Clearcast, then you will not able to do noise gate and noise reduction because these are manual. And I actually forgot to mention, but for chat, you have a configuration, and I'm put it at balance because it's the best. And if you would like a walkie-talkie configuration, what makes it sound like a walkie-talkie, then you can go ahead and you can do that. I'm going to head over to media. What is media used for? Media is mostly used for Spotify, YouTube, and browsers. That's what you want to use media for. And I've put movie clear dialogues because I mostly use YouTube, so I want to use this. And I have this, and obviously I actually do have spatial audio on, but I can obviously disable that. I can also include volume boost to boost the volume and smart volume. And for this one, there is no like custom thing to show what it means. It's just this. So if you don't know what to do, just ignore this. And I'm going to head over to aux. Now aux is used for everything else. Aux can also be used for like sound, like music, but yeah, we can ignore that. And now to the next and the final one, which is mic. This one is the main reason why my mic sounds top tier quality. Even though my mic is a really good mic, this just makes it sound 10 times better. And as you can see, I have deep voice enabled as a configuration, but I can change it to walkie-talkie. I'll show you what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like with walkie-talkie, but I'm gonna head over to deep voice. You can add the AI noise cancellation for your mic instead of the chat, and this will help you out. And yeah, that's basically it. And now I'm going to show you on how to configure it for your device. So you want to go here, head over to Mixer. You can either click on this and click on After Device Routing, or this. And we can just do anyway, it doesn't matter. Once you're here, you should see this. This is the default thing. Usually when you start, this is the default the default input, and I have the microphone as that. Now if you go here, I can just ignore this, but on Discord I have set it up as chat and microphone, and we can just ignore this. Sometimes Discord likes to be glitchy, so there's two. And for this, you can also ignore this. In OBS, you can also ignore this. And for Opera GX, which is my browser, then we can head over to here and change this to media and the microphone to this. And it's basically the rest for all your other apps. And if you're playing a game, let me quickly pull up Rainbow Six Siege. So I'll show you guys what to do. Okay, now I'm in the game. Now, by the way, this applies to every single game. Now, every single game should have an option of audio. So once you're in audio, what you want to do is go into audio input device and set this to microphone, and into audio output device to gaming. And this should help you out. And obviously you can ignore all this. This is just the game settings. And I'll show you in a test game in situations. Oh my god. It was quite bad. As you see, that is an example. I've completed the mission, and as you can see, you can tell the audio that is really nice. It's 10 times better. So that's basically how it works. Now let me tell you guys something. If you're recording, you do not want the SteelSeries audio, right? Obviously you don't want that, which is why you can put it to aux, and that's to not include the weird audio that you actually hear in the game, and to give it the YouTube video a better audio, because it's not bass boosted and it's not gonna have weird spatial audio. So basically that's how you can improve your game audio. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and well, I'll see you guys in the next one.